Hi, my name is Jeff Stiefel. I'm a fourth grade teacher at Lincoln Elementary School, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how I use interactive read-alouds in my classroom. This is a strategy that Mrs. Mackin showed me last year. She modeled one or two for me, and I found it kind of easy to pick up on my own, and I've done many this year. I'll show you how I use this strategy in my classroom. We have lots of different books. Most of them this year deal with diversity. We have our books that we selected, and we took our report card areas and put them right down here. On each book, we pretty much choose 4 questions to ask. And you can see in this book, An Angel for Solomon Singer, we ask 2 questions on supporting by text evidence, and we ask 1 for identifying main idea and 1 for inferences. We have the students bring over, and we started with jots. We had them with post-it notes with their name, and they write their answers down on here, and then I grade them on a 1, 2, 3, 4 scale. Most students are 2s or 3s, and we found that this method worked well, but we alternated and switched to a more useful recording sheet that we made up, and we said this is the same thing, the 4 questions which match up. But when we keep this, it's a little more formal for us. It's a little easier to keep track of, and we have them on both sides of the paper. The books are easy for everybody to understand, but what's great about it is everybody can access it, no matter what DRA level you're on. I read the book. We pause about 4 times during the story and ask them questions. They record those answers down. It only takes a minute or 2. There's really no discussion on those jots at that time. We continue with the book. We finish the book. They hand in their jots. Then maybe a follow-up is I take a look at these a little bit later on. I group them together. I give them a grade, and I record it on this sheet, which I have here. So this is one of my students, and these are the different grades that are recorded. Over here we have the averages. This is a pretty strong student. You can see the areas that she needs the most work on. The 2.3 are her 2 lowest categories. They're summarizing and interpreting non-fiction text features and structure. So we're continuing to work on those, but you can see the improvement she's made. She had 2s in the beginning, now she has 3s, which is what we're really looking for. So the class enjoys it. They look forward to doing it. It doesn't feel like an assessment to them. You know, some students are stressed over a test or a quiz. It doesn't feel like that for them, and that's one of the things I really love about this strategy. We get to see how they're accessing the report card standards. We see how they're scoring on them. We can make little small groups based upon who is a little bit low in what areas. Those become our little mini lessons for them, and it's been an overall great strategy. We've done about 10 books this year, and it's a lot of fun. If you have any questions, reach out to me, and I'll be more than willing to help you out.